Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to do I'm going to curry some beef, right? And with beef with potato. So let's get straight into it. Just be minded that I'll just be adding ingredients that I have in my kitchen. I would not be listing any actual measurements. I'll just be eyeballing all of my ingredients. So I'm going to start with some salt, basic season, some salt. Do it. Some black pepper. I'm gonna make this nice and spicy. Some paprika powder. Some chili powder. I'm gonna add a bit of cumin powder. Yeah, that should do it. And we'll also be adding some jerk seasoning. Give it some nice spice in there, man. Yeah, baby. I'm adding some small leaf thyme here. And some dry basil leaves. Gonna mix everything together. This is about a pound of the beef that they basically cut up into small pieces. I got this in the grocery store. I wanted to do this recipe since I was in Trinidad and I didn't really get a chance. Now I finally got a chance to do this. What I'll do now, I'll just let this rest, this marinate for like about half an hour. If you can for an hour, if you can allow it to marinate for like overnight. If you can, if you have time, better yet. Okay. Okay, so here's my pot on the fire. I already added about 2 tablespoons of oil or more. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Allow the curry powder to fry up a bit. So here's my curry looking nice and dark. I'm going to add the beef. I forgot to mention when I was seasoning the beef, I forgot to add some chopped up onion that I had there. So I added about half of chopped up onion. Mix that in. I'm going to add a little water. So since I'm not too pleased with the color of my curry beef, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of turmeric powder, maybe about a half. Hopefully I get more curry looking color for my curry beef. I'll let this bubble for like about 10 minutes and I'm going to add some more water, cover my pot, and allow this meat to cook and get nice and tender. Okay, so here's my beef. It's looking more like a stew than a curry. I may have to change the title of this video to stewed curry beef or something like that. Anyway, but trust me, it's tastingthebomb.com, according to my friend Ellen from Ellen Homemade Delights. So I'm going to add potato, not much, and I'm going to add water, cover the pot, to fill up the pot, sorry. I'm going to cover this, and like I said before, allow the meat to get nice and tender. Okay guys, so here's my curry beef. It's tasting really good, like I said before, but I just don't like how it's looking. So I just thought I would still upload this video so you guys see that sometimes things just don't go right, and this is one of my days for me. I just don't like how it's looking, but I'll do it again, real curry beef, and upload the video again. So at least you can just still enjoy this video, have a little laugh with me, and if you did have a laugh, click on the thumbs up button and ease up on me with the thumbs down button, right? Yeah, so look out for my next video where I did this properly. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.